In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly insert a video into your Google Slides presentation. Whether you've got a key presentation coming up, or you're just looking to add more dynamic content to your slides for a school project or a work meeting, this straightforward process will help elevate your presentation game. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is open your Google Slides presentation. You can access it through your Google Drive or by opening Google Slides directly and selecting your presentation from the list. Once you have your presentation open and ready, you'll need to navigate to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Look for the Insert option. It's typically located in the middle of the menu. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu that includes several options. From that list, you'll want to choose Video. This will open up a new dialog box called the Insert Video dialog. In this dialog box, you'll see several tabs at the top, such as YouTube and by URL. However, for this demonstration, we're focusing on the Google Drive tab. Click on this tab to view all the video files that you have stored in your Google Drive. At this point, you'll be able to browse through your files or use the search bar to quickly locate the video you uploaded earlier. Google Drive offers a convenient way to organize your files, allowing you to choose from various sections like My Drive or Shared with Me. Each of these sections may contain different video files depending on how you've organized your content. Once you've located the video file you want to use, click on it to select it. You'll notice that it becomes highlighted or checked to indicate that it's selected. Now, at the bottom right corner of the dialog box, you'll see a button that says either Select or Insert. Click on that button, and just like magic, your video will be added directly to your slide. Now, as a quick tip, after inserting the video, you can adjust its size and position to make sure it fits perfectly within your slide design. Simply click on the video to select it, use the corner handles to resize, and drag it to reposition as needed. You also have the option to access the Format Options toolbar for further adjustments. Adding video to your slides not only keeps your audience engaged, but also helps communicate your message more effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to insert a video into your Google Slides presentation with ease. Feel free to explore different settings and experiment with layout options to make your presentation even more captivating. Thanks for joining me today.